Today is the fourth day of our Panchakarma, and today I'm holding this camera. It's so heavy in my hand. We didn't drink ghee, but we ate khichdi the whole day, and we applied oil in our body. So if you're a kapha person, you may go with corn oil, yeah. So yeah, and if you're pitta person, coconut oil, or if you're vata person, then ghee also is good. For pitta person, ghee also is good. But if you don't know what is your constitution, then you can go with sesame oil. So for me as well, I and my husband also feels very nice sesame oil, so we applied sesame oil before taking bath, and then we took a steam bath. Just shower with warm or little hot water, not burning yourself. It's our shed, so please sorry about the background. I was cleaning up today whole house, so and I found the shed became so neat. Maybe I will make a video on how to declutter your home if you want. So regarding Panchakarma, after we did oil massage, I cooked khichdi. So we didn't eat anything else other than khichdi. You will like khichdi if you cook it very tasty. And today I tried one recipe. It became so nice. The problem is if you don't put khichdi masala in khichdi, it doesn't taste well. So I created a khichdi masala recipe because I couldn't buy it. Due to lockdown, we don't have much access to go to the shops and all. And in local shops, we don't get khichdi masala, only online, and you have to wait for 10 days or something. So you can buy ready-made khichdi masala if it doesn't have onion and garlic. Otherwise, you can make yourself. I will have a detailed recipe of that in the description of this video. We ate as much as we are satisfied. It's not like you have to eat particular amount. You can eat as much as you can hold in your stomach, or as much as you are satisfied, your hunger goes away. And then we became hungry around 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, yeah. And then that time we ate again khichdi. I cooked fresh khichdi. And the good thing with the Instapot cooking is you can cook and then keep for warming. So all the time your khichdi will be ready and warm. Khichdi is very tasty when it's hot and warm, and it's better to eat with your hands because you don't want to burn your mouth. If you take with a spoon, you don't know the temperature, but if the hand can tolerate that temperature, then you can put it in your mouth, and it's good to eat very hot and warm khichdi. Other than that, we are full of energy, so I cleaned up the whole house. I was engaging, both of us were engaging ourselves so that we don't have inclination towards eating other foods, because eating only khichdi, you will miss your fruits, you will miss your sweets, you will miss your other things. But if you engage yourself with the things, activities, then you won't have so much problem. And whenever you feel hungry, take khichdi. Don't make yourself very don't control yourself too much. If you feel like eating something, go and eat khichdi. Now this thing we will continue doing, and I'll let you know what we will do tomorrow. Tomorrow also we will do oil massage and eat khichdi. If you followed until today, the fourth day, my congratulations, and we stopped drinking ghee. That's a great achievement. And please let me know what are your changes in your body and in your feelings, in your mental world. And one thing Panchakarma does is not only purifies your physical body, but also affects your mind. Your mental state can be purified. Today, both of us, my husband and I, were feeling very optimistic and very cheerful. So that is one thing that affects we felt. And yesterday afternoon, whole day I was not hungry, and I ate at 3 p.m. And around 6 o'clock, we both of us had some stomach ache, and we felt like purification started. So during those days, if you are a kapha person, you may have vomiting sense and even vomit. So don't worry, it should be okay, because one of my friends who was kapha person, she was drinking ghee, and after third or fourth day she vomited, and we had, I don't say, okay, pitta people will have diarrhea, and vata people may be having some gas problems. I'm really sorry I'm talking about these kind of things, but that way you will know what is your constitution as well. What else? So I think I told everything. If you have some questions, please let me know. I'm ready to help you and answer to your questions. And regarding oil massage, should you apply to your hairs? I wouldn't recommend if you have very long hair. If I one day wash my hair, immediately I start feeling headache. So I wouldn't recommend it daily applying oil to your head. If you want to wash your hair, then apply that along to your body, apply to your hair as well, and then wash it and dry it completely. Yeah, but if you're Prabhu, if you're have very short hair, then probably you can apply to your head and face and everywhere. So these are the things you have to do in the fourth day. Of course, you can drink water, no tea, no other stuff other than khichdi. So this was the fourth day, and see you tomorrow, friends, in the fifth day. Hare Krishna. This is a mic.